So then when we got into the close-ups, that gets a little bit more tricky, right? So how do we kind of light, if you notice, if you're shooting out in the noon sun or shooting out in broad sun, it's really harsh on your face. When the sun is like that, I like to kind of wait till when the sun is lower in the sky. And then that way the position of the light is pushing more sidey, creating a different kind of shape of light. Again, right? I position my camera on the shadow side. Common theme here, right? And then the sun was all the way over here setting here, and it was just backlighting our cast here. And then I just leaned into the silhouette of it. She's kind of silhouetted here, but I thought it was beautiful. We still have different textures and different color contrast going here. We had the warm sun hitting her hair, the beautiful color contrast between the bluer shadows here. And then again, you have the horizon here, and just so many leading lines. So I'm just creating beautiful composition, and I'm just letting the sun do its work by doing the backlight. If you watch most Hollywood films, no matter where the camera's looking, for most part, it's always backlit. It just makes it look better immediately. That edge light and then just kind of leaning into that just looks amazing. Or you can side light your characters with the sun and then diffuse it. Diffusion is a great way to shape your light. And then this is what you're gonna see. We eventually shot the reverse shot of the shot you just saw. And here we have the sun hitting his face, but it was a little too harsh. So what I did was I took a diffusion frame. You can find this, on Amazon. It's like, you can have like a pop-up one of those circle ones, but I don't like to do it too thick. What happens is your character is gonna be a lot darker, because when you diffuse it, it cuts down a lot of light, and the exposure between your character and your background is not gonna be balanced, right? You wanna make your image balanced.